Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caroline, and if you're new here, karibu sana. On this episode we're gonna make the best chocolate moist cake you will ever have. If you have a birthday coming up, guys, this is the recipe for you. So make sure you subscribe, give me that like, share. So let's get started, guys. So if you have a birthday coming up, guys, so easy and you just don't need a lot of ingredients. So for our ingredients, you need 2 cups of sugar, 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour as always, 1 cup of cocoa powder, some 1 cup of buttermilk. I told you how to make buttermilk. You just mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice on your milk, on your whole milk, and then that's it. Okay, you have 2 teaspoons of baking soda, a half teaspoon of baking powder, a half teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a half cup of oil, vegetable oil. And then that's it, guys. You mix it together, you have the best moist chocolate cake ever, guys. Can't wait for this one. So first of all, we're gonna preheat our oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Since we're gonna bake for 30 minutes, we can put it on 40, and then we're gonna do at 180 degrees. So guys, first of all, we're gonna mix our dry ingredients first. So we'll mix our flour, and then we're gonna add in the sugar. 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of flour. You mix that. Looking nice. Look at that. So easy. And then you're gonna put in the cocoa, all of it. The sweetest chocolate cake you'll ever have, guys. Amazing. So you mix in your cocoa powder. Then you're gonna put in our baking soda. So next we'll put in our baking powder and the salt, and then we'll combine, and then we'll set aside, and then we're gonna work on our wet ingredients. Yes. So I'm gonna mix thoroughly. So you mix completely, and then you set aside. So easy to make yourself a nice, yummy chocolate moist cake. You love this one. It's so easy to make. So next we're gonna work on our wet ingredients. So next we're gonna mix our wet ingredients. So we're gonna add our milk, and then it's buttermilk, of course, and then we're gonna put in our vegetable oil, half a cup, and then we're gonna put in our vanilla extract, and then we're gonna put in our eggs, and then we're gonna combine. And then what we'll do is add the wet ingredients, the dry ingredients, and then we'll beat until well combined. So So we are mixing the wet ingredients with the dry, and then we'll beat until well combined. So we're gonna put this in here. So easy. And then we're gonna mix on low. Make sure you're just mixing on low. So always remember to scrub the sides, and don't worry if your butter is thin. Look at this, it's supposed to be this thin for a chocolate cake, so don't worry about it. So make sure you scrub the sides so that everything else is combined. So that's it guys, you can see everything is combined. So we'll transfer this into our cake pan, and then we're gonna bake it for 30 minutes. We'll have our moist chocolate cake ready. Yes. So guys, here we are. I've already greased my pan. You can see what I do is I grease and then I put a bit of flour on top, or you can put a parchment paper. So, and then we're gonna put our butter in like this. Don't worry, it's supposed to be this thin. It comes out so nice. In 30 minutes you have our cake ready. After we put our butter guys, it's ready to be put in the oven for 30 minutes. So guys, for the best chocolate frosting or icing, I always use a few ingredients. So here they are. I normally use 3 cups of powdered sugar, or icing sugar if you want to call that, 1 cup of butter, and then I love to use a lot of chocolate sprinkles, different colored, you can see black, all these sprinkles, they really bring the cake beauty. And then I always use a bar of chocolate to make it your chocolate so fudgy, like you eat it and then it's so fudgy and moist and so sweet. It's all this. Something else, I like to put a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 4 tablespoons of milk. Yes guys, so what we do, first of all, we're gonna melt our chocolate. You just put in water, hot water, boiling water, and then you put it, and then it will melt on top of the boiling water. So first of all, we're gonna put our sugar to the mixing bowl, our icing sugar to the mixing bowl. Then we're gonna put in our butter. I like putting a bit of it, and then I put a bit on top. So I've already melted my chocolate. What you do, you heat a pot, and then you put it on top, and then you let it melt slowly. So we'll let this cool as we mix this. So let's get to mixing. So what we'll do, in an electric mixer or with a hand mixer, we beat the butter. So we'll beat the butter until smooth and creamy, about maybe 1 minute, and then we're going to add in our vanilla extract. We beat it, and then we'll add in the chocolate. We beat it on low speed until everything is incorporated. As usual, you scrub the sides so that it mixes well. Put in our chocolate, and then we're gonna beat it for 2-3 minutes. Look at this, guys. Awesome, awesome, awesomeness. Look at this, so moist. Oh my god, look at this, the best chocolate cake ever, guys. So what you do, we will let this cool for 30 minutes, and then after that we're gonna put our icing, our frosting, guys. So finally, guys, after 30 minutes our cake, look at this, it's cool, so moist. I can't wait to do a bit of frosting on it and decoration. It's gonna be awesome, guys. A lot of frosting, sweetest. What you can do, you can actually like do 2 cakes, or you do one and then you cut it into 2 so that it has a layer inside. It's very easy to make a nice homemade cake, the best chocolate cake you'll ever have, guys. So don't be afraid to go out there and just make your cake. You will love it. So delicious, so nice. So guys, we are at our favorite point, and that is decoration. Remember, guys, this is my favorite homemade chocolate cake recipe. You see, guys, it has a super moist crumb. It's so fudgy. That's what I love about it. It's so fudgy, so amazing. You just turn around like this, so easy. And then we go to the decoration part. So guys, you know what, this chocolate recipe will soon be your favorite too, because it is my favorite. So on decorating, guys, you can see. So what we do, you can put any decoration anyhow you want. So let's get started. So put a bit of sprinkles. Open this. Bit of sprinkles. You can do it on the side. It's so easy, guys, to make it. A bit of sprinkling on the side. That's what I do. Some sprinkles, chocolate sprinkles. Especially for your kid's birthday, you have to make your own fat chocolate cake. They will love it, and it's so easy to make. Let me tell you guys something. If it's something that I love to do, is surprise my kids with chocolate cake. If you have that craving, it's the most craved for cake is a chocolate cake. So after that, you can also sprinkle on the side, and then you can write the name using some of this. Actually, I prefer writing a name on it. So it's so easy, guys. So easy, and you're gonna love it because it's homemade. So your people will definitely love it. Love it. So guys, you can see decorating is so easy. I've written the name Liam. So you can see I'm adding a few more chocolates on top. It's very easy to decorate, guys. So easy. So there you go. Bit of chocolate. Oh, it looks nice. So you can put different colors. You can see it's so moist and fluffy. That's what I love about it. You can see, look at this. It looks so nice. excited to make this awesome chocolate fudge cake. It's so sweet, so moist. Look at this, guys, and it's so easy to make. On this particular occasion, because it's for a birthday, I will not cut, but you can see the end product, guys. Look at this. It looks amazing. So you get something like this and you can make it in no time. You just need to have a bit of decoration, and then that's it, guys. So anyway, so guys, finally you can see the end product. It's so amazing. You can't wait to have a taste. It's the most delicious, best ever chocolate cake you ever have, and this one definitely will be your favorite. I absolutely enjoyed this episode making chocolate cake, and I hope you have enjoyed too. So if you loved it, make sure you give me that like, share, comment, and let me know how your experience was. Follow the recipe step by step and you won't miss it, guys. So excited. So anyway, guys, that's it from me. Bye.